86 Cowles update video. We had the outside painted. This one in 23 got a brand new driveway. This is my personal rental. You can see all this. Got some trash back there to clean up, but it looks really good. That's done. This is all done. Really nice. Let's go inside. They've started working on that too. Nice neighborhood. This will be going up for rent. So as you can see, all the interior's painted, brand new paint. Put in your vanity and your toilet. So right there's a vanity actually. It's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. Gonna clean and poly all the wood floors. New lights, nice LEDs. I really like those lights. They came out with those just a little while ago, and they're really good. They sprayed the shower, so that looks brand new. New toilet, the vanity's in the living room. Paint, plugs, and switches and lights are all in here. See all that. Hardware. Let's go upstairs. Let me show you the kitchen. I like this, I like this particular one, the white cabinet. I like those fruits and vegetables there. And it's not a bad looking countertop for a rental. So we did that, we put all that in there. You got a luxury Bible you put in here. Not this time, before. And this had carpet before, so we went ahead and luxury vinyl does. Goes in, it's gotta have it. You can see right here, this is really good. They painted it. Got all this, really nice. Here's your kind of a sitting room up here. So you got a bedroom, a sitting room, all brand new flooring. Go downstairs, you got to put a rail there for the stairs. So let's go downstairs and look at the basement. You see all this is really nice. Well, we don't put new heaters in the rentals if they work. No appraisals needed or anything like that. So this is an older one, but it's been serviced. Nice and cool down here too. All this got painted. There's your dryer vent. All that's there. And this one has a kind of a finish there. So nice and big. So that's going to be nice down here. This is a very dry basement. It'll be fine. It's also got the glass block, which is a nice upgrade on these properties. It's just a nice property. I've owned it for about 4 years. Again, I'm Brett. I'm with Key Realty, 216-703-5740. Call me if you have any real estate. This is your update video. Nice property.